is about to go into the great blue deep here. It's the great blue deep with a lot of strange things at the bottom. and Millie has built your first boat. This is Millie's first ever boat, and she's built it in the workshop here in the old ram shed. That's something. And it's the Royal Show 2011. Now the thing we're most terrified about when we put a new boat in the water is what? Will it? Sink, come negative. Will it?
Fly.
I like you. Now, will you lower this boat slowly?
Come on, Millie.
Blessings be upon this boat and all the insects who may travel with it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Will it float with the boat? And it does! Testing the sail.
Come on, Memphis, blow, blow.
And it sails! Well done, Millie. Congratulations. Now, Millie will have this boat now probably for the rest of her life. And she'll look at it on her cupboard and she'll think, I could be in Hawaii tomorrow. Or I could be on a Kangaroo Island. Or I could be down in So, congratulations. Over here. Good on you, Dad.